So we're up bright and early, taking Captain to the vet. He's getting surgery today, getting the thing taken off his eye. You're gonna be a good boy, you're gonna be good with surgery. You're gonna come out with a cone. Every time they have to carry the little man in because he's so stubborn, he won't just walk. Every time they gotta carry him. Well, his surgery should be taking up basically the whole entire day. It's currently, what time is it? It's about 8 a.m., 7:42 a.m. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go home, I'm gonna put a load of laundry, and then I'm gonna make some breakfast, and then I'm going to head to the thrift store, you know? Head to the thrift store, see if we find anything good. Yesterday I did list a bunch of things, so if you haven't checked, check the link down below, amcvlogs.com. You can use PayPal, debit card, or credit card. I have stuff as cheap as $8. Obviously that's not including shipping. Shipping, it depends on where you live. T-shirts range from $5 to $8. Jackets about $10, and then heavy jackets will be about $20 for shipping costs. Just to give you guys a little insight. So yeah, like I said, I guess let's head home. Let me make some breakfast and just wait for it to be a little bit later in the day so we can hit up the thrift stores. Hopefully Captain will be good. They're gonna keep me posted. They have to put him to sleep to take the little thing off his eye, so I'm hoping everything will be good. We'll pick him up later today. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Let's get it, guys. So, headed to the thrift store. But guys, SNDL, them boys! Oh my gosh, if you guys invested in SNDL, you're probably eating good right now. I got in at $1.15. It peaked at $4.76. They're saying it's gonna go to about 5 to 7 at close today, and it can reach $10. I am up huge on that. It's basically taking care of the Dogecoin loss, it's taking care of any other loss, and that's what I tried telling you guys. It's like, whatever you lose, like, I got out of AMC, I got out of GameStop, I took that for a loss. I took all that money and I invested into SNDL, but I also invested SNDL over a week ago, like 2 weeks ago, when I got into SNDL at $1.15. In the past 24 hours, it's just skyrocketed. I'm curious to see what pre-market's gonna do. We have about 20 minutes till pre-market. I'm sitting on a good amount of shares. I'm kind of gonna see how to do. I don't wanna sell it too early, but I might sell off to make some profits, so we'll see. But like I said, we are headed to the thrift store, so let's hope we find some good stuff. Well, straight off the new rack, we have this brand new with tags Ghostbusters collab with RSVLTS. Never heard of that brand, but it's kind of a cool button down. Ghostbusters all throughout. Then we did find this Calvin Klein jeans little turtleneck hoodie, the spell out. Then behind it we did find a Diesel hoodie. Let me see if I can grab this Diesel hoodie. So the reason I always buy hoodies, no, Andrew brought me. Andrew
told you?
Yeah.
All right, make sure you straighten it up for me. All right.
I didn't do this, but I'll do it for you.
That's right. Yeah, but the other black dude told me to come back in.
No, Andrew literally brought me back here. He walked
bro. I got no, you know me. I got no problem with it. But the other manager tells me.
No, yeah, you're good.
And then I gotta, because if I don't, it'd be like, okay, you're good.
Look at that Harley Davidson 1999 hoodie. Flames on the side. So sick.
You want the G-string too? No.
Well guys, we hit big today, and when I say big, I mean we got so many pairs of jeans and pants. Let me find an empty rack so I can show you guys all this. So look at this, from here to here is everything that I found today, and look how many pairs of jeans we have. So let's get it started. First off, these are just personal pair, just like some Gap joggers. I'm gonna wear these for when they're comfortable. Brand new with tags, size 34 Uniqlo pants. I might leave these just because it's Uniqlo, it's nothing special. $5.49, retail was $40. I just don't think anyone would buy that. This brand I need to look up. I'm not sure of it, but it's J brand. If I had to guess, J brand is J Crew, but I'm not exactly sure. I found these Calvin Klein jeans, which I'll probably end up leaving, just with the Calvin Klein hit. PacSun, brand new with tags, $50 retail, size 29-32. Pair of Levi's overalls. I'm pretty sure these are women overalls, but Levi branded. These are crazy pants. I don't know what it is. I have to look it up. They might not be worth anything, but yeah, these things are insane, like zebra print. Pair of Lacoste denim.
And then this is where it gets crazy. So from here all the way to here, this is all Saints denim. If you guys don't know, all Saints denims are very expensive. So look, we have a size 30 right here, size 30 All Saints, 31 All Saints, size 34 All Saints, size 30, size 30, size 30, and then size 34. Then we did find these Die Hard pants. It almost reminds me of what's that brand, Carhartt, how it's like double pleated, almost like double kneed, and it came with 2 different colorways. I have the dark one and like the navy, or not navy, like the khaki. Then the finds don't stop. We found True Religion size 32. Look at this, Prada, men's Prada jeans. And then behind that, look at this, Versace. We hit so good today with all the All Saints. Someone definitely dropped off all their denim. These Versaces are really big, but it's okay. And then for the tops, I don't know if I showed you this, made in Italy, super soft leather bomber. We have this Guest jeans, like leather with the hoodie also. I already showed you the Diesel hoodie, the Harley Davidson, so sick. I'll probably end up keeping this. You guys know I found one recently, a zip, and I've just been obsessed with this one. It's even crazier. Look, 1998 back stamp, insane find. And then the other stuff that I showed you, I don't know if I showed you this, Zara coat. I don't know if I'm gonna grab it or not. And then Champion hoodie, nice little embroidery. New shoes just came out, just grabbed these. I don't really know. Look, it even has $70 Nordstrom rack price tag still priced on these. I gotta look them up. But we did find some Air Force Ones, found some like chocolate brown ones. What size are these? These are gonna be a size 11. And then we did find, I've actually sold these before, but we have the Air Max. These are a little bit bigger size. These I have to look up also, but look, Coach. I feel like Coach is expensive. Coach women's sneakers, has a little bedazzle on the back, a little bedazzle on the front. And then we found these women's pairs of Air Force, really nice. Looks like they're brand new actually, never worn. Very nice. What size are these? These are going to be a size 8.5 women's. As I was checking out, we found these checkered Vans too. Perfect. Wow, look at these.
Yeah.
This one?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Wow, guys, look at these. Amiri. Are these real? I don't know, but I need them. Taking them my size.
Skeleton bone.
Yeah, I'll take these.
Okay.
No price tag.
I'm just putting them in here with your purchase.
Perfect.
All right.
Yeah, thank you.
Wow, guys, we hit huge. Like, that's insane. First of all those denim, the All Saints denim, like I said, they retail for probably about $200 a pair. But then at the end, literally as I was checking out, we found those Amiri sneakers, and I actually recorded those Amiri sneakers when I did like a trip to the designer. I want to say when I got these sunglasses, I saw them there. What is going on with my hair? My hair looks so weird. But we saw them there, and they were like $400 or $500, maybe even more. So wow, we struck gold on everything that we got. Sadly, I don't have time to hit up another thrift store. I just got a call from the vet saying Captain is ready to pick up, so I'm gonna go pick up the little man. Let's see how he's doing. They said everything went well, so let's see. I think he is gonna have a cone, so that way he doesn't try to scratch his eye, but let's go pick up the little man.
Well, dogs are not cheap. I had to pay that plus $300. You got a cone, guy?
He's the most handsome boy.
Yeah,
Oh my goodness. Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So how did he do? Good?
It was pretty quick.
Yeah?
But it went well.
Yeah, it seems like it's good. Do I have to put any ointment or anything on it, or?
I actually have it right here. So it's gonna be a small strip onto the one eye every 12 hours.
Okay. Well, little man has to wear a cone for about a week. And yeah, you could see his eye. It was right there. If you guys remember, he had like almost like a little pimple. Well, they removed it. Let's go home now. I know. Well, new store, new finds. Look how crazy these denim are. I don't know if you guys have seen the trend where people wear multiple jeans. Well, this is literally like 2 pairs of jeans built into one. It's my size 32. I kind of want to, I'm going to try them. I'm going to get them, but I want to try them on and see how they fit. I feel like they're going to feel so weird. But those are like crazy. So I found that. I'm not sure if I'm going to get this, but this is a nice Hugo Boss little like black jacket. Just essentials. We haven't found a pair of these in a while. These are size 38, which is pretty big. But we have the Jabot shorts, huge big deep pocket. This I have to look up, but it was brand new with tags, Puma, and the original price was $75. So I think shirts are $1. So I mean, even if I pick it up for $1 just because it's brand new with tags. I love this. I love my golden retriever. Jackson was a lab, so it doesn't really fall with me, so I'll probably sell this, but I know dog shirts, people love it. What shirt was this? Oh, this was cool. All embroidered Bhutan dragon. If I'm pronouncing that wrong, I'm sorry. Then we found, what is this? Oh, Hustler, Relax is Just Sex. All clothes are $1 here, so Polo Ruffler, and I think I'm gonna put this back just because it's like they cut the sleeves. It's Polo Jeans Company. I don't want to waste $1. I have so much stuff to list. I'm gonna put that back. This was a cool shirt. Oh no, this wasn't what I was thinking about. But this is actually a vintage Holy Cross hospital shirt. Holy Cross is a local hospital, so I'm gonna keep this for the personal collection. We found this Levi's denim jacket. Sadly, they cut off the sleeves, so we're still gonna get it, but man, if they didn't cut off the sleeves, it'd be a nice denim jacket. This was the shirt I was referring to. We have the Tultex 1998 World Series Yankees Championship, single-sided. Then we found a couple pair of Zara pants. We have this black pair, this gray pair, and then we actually found a pair of off-brand Versace. It's V1969 Italian. Versace actually co-signs this, so it's kind of cool, like a biker style denim with pockets throughout. So today was just filled with denim. A lot of pants today. So as I was getting everything ready, I was looking at these. I was like, man, these look really high quality, almost like Valentino, like the runner style. They're actually Karl Lagerfeld sneakers. Kind of crazy. It has like the camo bottom, camo upper with the suede. Reminds me of like the New Balance runner style. I think I'm gonna grab them. They're gonna be a size 42, I believe. 9.5 men's. Has like the quilted leather insoles. Really nice shoes. Oh man, found a pair of Birkenstocks that are in horrible condition. These are the leather ones. I am gonna buy them and I'm gonna restore them. But these things are disgusting. Looks like they have shit all over the, oh, actually, nope, never mind. I'm not gonna get them. If that wasn't like that, I was gonna get them, but nope. Leave it for somebody else. They were bringing out new glassware too, and look at these. McDonald's, Disney. All characters. And there's like multiple ones. So we have that one. And this is kind of cool. Since I'm moving, I can have nice glassware. And it kind of fits with the vibe since, you know, I sell vintage. I have vintage glasses. I don't know how old they are actually. Can't really see a date on it. They are Disney licensed though. And then the last one, there was 4 in total. Buzz Lightyear, super sick. Well, I do need these. Oh, it looks like it was repackaged. Let's see how many in here. This is $5. There's supposed to be 50 in here, but let's see, maybe we can count them. So I decided to come to this place called Spatch. I've never been here before, but so far I think it's kind of expensive. I just paid $20 for what I got, and I'll show you guys what I got. I got a half a chicken, mac and cheese, and sweet potato mash. So figure it's almost like a Pollo Tropical, but more expensive. We'll see if it's good. I'll show you guys, because $20 looks like, that's expensive. That's like LA prices. So this is what we're working with. Again, I got the half chicken. This is lemon pepper sauce I got on it. Then I got mac and cheese with like breadcrumbs topping, and then sweet potato mash. So let's give it a try.
So, was it worth $19? No, definitely not. Would have been worth $15? Probably. Probably worth about $13 at the most. The sides were the best part. The chicken was okay, it was nothing special. I would have rather went to Po Tropical and got the same thing. But the sides, that sweet potato mash was amazing. So, it's whatever, you know, you don't know if you don't try. And I always love trying new places and new food, so. Let's go back home, let's check how Captain's doing and seeing how the cone's situated with little man.
Why are you crying? You don't have your cone on. What happened to your cone? You took off the cone? You don't feel good?
Well guys, the clothes just got out of the wash from today, so I need to quickly edit and throw these up. I have all the denim. Look at all the denim right here. I'm gonna list them for about $20, $25 each. Now obviously the Versace and Prada are gonna be marked more, but the All Saint jeans are gonna be about $20 to $25. So just stay tuned, check the link down below. I'm gonna be uploading throughout the night, so just give me some time. Also, I am putting the Amiri shoes. They are brand new, size 44, which fits about a 10.5, maybe even 11. But I personally tried them on and they do not fit me. I wear about 11.5, so they are too small on me. Incredible find, crazy find. Again, retailing these were probably about $600 to $800. On Grail, there's one for $450. I'll probably list them for about $350 or so. And if you want to purchase something just straight away and you want me to upload on the website or whatever, just DM me on Instagram at DITR954. I will definitely make sure that gets taken care of you. Again, link down below. You can check with PayPal, debit card, or credit card. Every purchase does help support these daily videos. So I'll see you guys tomorrow for another video, 8 p.m. And don't forget, guys, let's get it.